Good afternoon, my beautiful people. They can doubt me all they want, but one thing they better not do is count me out. Based on what people think or what they say, I shouldn't even be here. My presence alone is me defying the odds. But when you're in God's favor, your path is already chosen. You just have to walk it. Your footprints ain't there yet. But once they are, your legacy will be set in stone. And something that once sounded like a myth becomes a person that becomes a legend. Fly with me.